Welcome to the FMEA and RCM for Railway Industry Training. I will give a brief introduction about the training course, speaking about ISCC and our service and consultant as well as our team. And after, I will describe the training outline and the biography for this training. So I am Dr. Eduardo Calixto. I'm a certified reliability professional, certified functional safety expert, have 18 years experience in reliability, safety, asset management, and I've been working for projects for different industries such as oil and gas, railway, aerospace, and defense projects. Those are the companies that I had experience and a chance to work with and working for in Brazil, Vale, Petrobras, Reliance Soft here in Europe, Bombardier in Germany, Genesis in London, BQR in Israel, Philotech and Airbus here in Germany, and recently I've been working with NCALT, our partner who supports and supply the solution for asset management, Molinari, who I had a chance to implement a RAMS program for railway in a specific project of auxiliary power units for Indian Railway, and also the Shinda, our partner in China. ECC started since 2015 as a consulting company, so we are based in Germany and provides our consultants and training service for the all over the world. So mostly we are working in Europe, but we also, as discussed before, have partners in different countries around the globe. Our service focus on asset management or physical asset management performance optimization based on reliability, asset integrity, and integrated logistics support and safety engineering. Our main partners are Tinder, located in China, and Kelt, located in Aberdeen, Scotland, and Rams Engineer and Asset Management, located in London. So these partners support us to implement consultant service and training. ECC teams have a high professional level with high experience in different industry backgrounds. So I already introduced myself. We have Mr. Carl Butler, is an expert RAMS maintenance and ILS expert for railway and aerospace and defense. Mr. Frederick Apple is a specialist RAMS and maintenance specialist for railway industry. Mr. Regis Alberto Coach is a specialist for design for reliability concerning test, accelerating test and halt test. And our consultant team for process plant are encompass me and also including Mr. Paul Stewart is asset management expert and maintenance. He is also the CEO from Enkelt, our supplier for asset management and asset integrity solution. Mr. Raul Palacodet is a reliability engineer expert, asset management expert. His background in power plants and all type of process equipment. Mr. Steven Scott is an inspection engineer expert in API 653 and he's running program of certifying storage tank inspector all over the world. And Mr. Alexandre Botelho, he is asset integrity reliability engineering expert. So these are our consultants and that support our clients in implementing reliability engineering program, RAMS program, asset management, asset integrity, and as well as safety for different industries such as oil and gas, process, power plants, railway, aerospace, and defense. Just like I would just like to speak a little bit about this specific training. This is an online training and the program is related to all type of training. So basically we have the online presential training, the online training that's based on videos that you can access and then send back the questions about the videos, and also the presence training. So depends on the company, the client's requirements, we can offer 3 different types of training. So but the content of the training is the same. So in a case of FMEA and RCM for railway industry, in the first day we focus on FMEA analysis, and during the morning we have these five models to give a background about FMEA concerning FMEA concept, risk concept, design FMEA, process FMEA, system FMEA, FMEA management, and FMEA applied to practice. So after break, we used to give more exercise and some cases that apply for railway industry, such as brake, bogie, FMEA analysis, and in the end we have application software. So based in this model, the video model, you see the difference because you see all the application case in the software in the end in the second days. So the FMEA and RCM will be demonstrating together. But during a presential training, we do once the practice in FMEA software in the first day, and after in the second day, we take a look on RCM. So in the second day of the training, we have seven models in the morning time. So the first model concerning maintenance concept, RCM constant standard, RCM input to run analysis, RCM input to LCC, and as well as RCM input to spare parts. So it's very important to consider the inputs and outputs, mainly the output that the RCM gives to another very important assessments such as life cycle costs, run analysis, and spare parts. Also, it's important to understand the RCM FMEA as is discussed in the first day. We have a FMEA management as well as RCM management. And in the modern context, we have the RCM input to asset management. And then you had a chance to see how is the information about maintenance that comes from RCM is managing during the operational phase. So at the second parts of this training, the RCM models are the practice. So we have a model 8 that focus on railway RCM application cases. So are the same case that was described discussion in the first day during the FMEA, but focus now in RCM. And in the end, we have the RCM application case in software, where the participants had a chance to be in contact with some software and make some exercise in the software to get the concepts and to see how easy it is to apply software for FMEA and RCM case. Again, in the online type training type, you see that there's FMEA and RCM case studies in the software are demonstrated together in one model. All the content of this training is in my new book, Run Analysis Engineer for Railway Industry Modeling and Optimization. So you can go in Amazon. So this book is available in different Amazons, such as Amazon.de in Germany or Amazon.com, the more general one. So you can look on it. There are a printed version and also online version, and all the context of FMEA training as well as different subjects are defined in this book. This book encompasses all topics related to RAM's program, starting in the first chapter describing the RAM programs, the pitfalls that you can have during the implementation, the main issues and barriers to implement a RAM program, as well as the main concept of a RAM program based on EN 50126. After that, each reliability engineering methodologies such as lifetime data analysis, FMEA, RCM, run analysis, accelerating tests, software reliability, human reliability are described along the following chapters, as well as integrated logistic supports in order to demonstrate how to optimize spare parts preventive maintenance inspection. And in the end, we present a specific chapter concerning the asset management concept applied for railway industry. So we already have a solution for asset management to be applied for railway industry, and this last chapter demonstrating that. Thank you for your attention. Let's go to the training. So during the training, there will be presented a lot of concepts, a lot of example applied to railway industry concerning FMEA and RCM. So for the video models, if you have some question, please just send us a message.